There are people who have perfect credit scores,
Okay.
which is an 850, by the way. And
I
they
don't-
have some
I don't
things
have
in
perfect.
common.
I don't have perfect. I'm
Not
good.
850.
I don't have perfect. Perfect is
All right.
almost impossible to get for the average person.
The in common traits they've got is number one, they're usually older.
Right?
70% are over the age of 57,
Totally makes sense.
while 4% are under the age of 40. Because again, it takes time to build credit.
Yes. Build credit, but also build sound spending habits
Yeah.
too. Because when
Yeah.
you're younger and you have kids or first time household expenses and whatnot,
Yeah.
it's easy to use the card. It's harder to pay
Right.
them down. Yeah.
They have more credit cards, but have lower balances on them. They kind of
Sure.
spread them out. That way they're making their payments, which aren't very high.
They're making their payments, and also
Yeah.
it shows their available credit is massive. So if they ever went and used all their
Yeah.
cards at once, they probably have like $50
Right.
to $100,000 in available
Yes.
credit.
Yeah, they don't necessarily use them all the
Right.
time.
It just
They
exists
have
as
them.
the potential.
Right.
Sure.
Average American has 4 credit cards. The perfect credit scores have 6.
Right.
They still have debt, but in personal loans, not credit card debt. Average interest rate for a personal loan is about 10%. About half a rate for credit cards. People with perfect scores usually owe almost twice the national average in personal loans, but they have much lower balances on credit cards and car loans as well. So it really comes down to how you kind of play the whole credit game.
How you spread it out and
Yeah.
how you make your payments and where you divest your spending.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you have to have the good credit to get those personal loans.
All right.
And the way you get that good credit is with those car payments, those mortgage payments, and also the credit card payments. So it's one of those, once you start building that credit, shift that sand. Go to your local banking institution, your credit union. They make the local decisions. A national lender, that can help you with a personal loan. Because again, lower interest, better for your credit score, and it pulls that stuff off the credit card.
Right.
So there's ways to do it.
Get more info now on the perfect credit score people. Yes FM Facebook, Twitter at 967 Yes FM, and the Mercy in the Morning page at yesfm.com.